create beam end plate connection. For that, go to application and component, type here end. You will get it here connection 144. You can double click this connection, then go to the picture, make it here 0, make it here minus 20, then go to the plate, make it here 12 thickness 320, then this is the plate, start number, material A36, name plate. Other all the thing keep as it is. Then stiffener, we don't want any stiffener, make it 0. Then we don't want to make any changes here. Just go to the bolt, select the bolt standard. I just select this standard bolt, M20 bolt, make it tolerance 2, select here middle, here also middle, then make it here 100, make it here 100, make it here 2, 150, make it here 8, then 60. Other all the thing keep as it is. Then modify, apply and click OK. Select the post, select the beam, here it is created the connection. Similar way, select column and select beam, here it is created. Now we created all the connections, everything for this post. Now go to the view, select here work plane parallel to view plane, already here it is set. Then select all the things, then right click, copy special, mirror, click this point and click anywhere else, then go to copy, expand, here it is copied with all the connections, everything.